how to use ChatGPT to make money on YouTube. Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to create a channel on YouTube and earn money. So let's get started. Now, it's very simple. The niche that we're going to be picking is going to be a faceless YouTube channel, kind of like this one as well. So what that means is we are going to be creating videos that don't require any face, so you can pump out as many as you like and you can easily earn thousands of dollars. So for example, this channel right here. So this is a channel called Jimmy Crook, and this guy creates videos on skateboarding and video games. So as you can see, it's a faceless channel and it is earning him around 4,000 monthly earnings. So it's supposed to be higher. This is just an estimate from his views and stuff like that, but this is an average, but I'm pretty sure he earns almost twice, if not three times the amount that it's shown over here. So as you can see, it works. There are a bunch of other ones. There's one on TVs and movie shows. There's one on nature and animals and dogs. So you can choose whichever niche you think is popular, or you can choose whichever one you want, and you can start creating videos on it. So kind of like this video right here. So this is like top 10 best guard dog breeds to protect your house and family. So over here you can see it's a bunch of videos of dogs, different breeds of dogs, and basically it's just a voiceover with videos and pictures of dogs in the background, and that is pretty much it. So you can create something like this, right? So this channel's name is Animal Insider. So let me just copy this right here and come back over here and just go to Social Blade and enter the username. So this is the channel right here. So as you can see, it is earning him or her $10,000 per month. And as I said before, it is supposed to be almost twice, if not three times higher than what is shown over here. So keep that in mind. So you can create tons and tons of money using this idea. So the idea is just simply coming over here onto ChatGPT. And let's say we want to create the exact same video, right? So let's say top 10 best dog breeds for hunting, or for guard dogs, for keeping it as a pet, or for kids as well. So something like this, and then we just simply click on next. Now it's going to give us a simple list, and then once it's done, we can say turn it into a script, right? Turn it into a script. And once that's done, we should be good to go. So over here, it's going to literally create the entire video into a script. So as you can see, it also adds Labrador Retriever, Golden Retriever, German Shepherd, all of these at the top, so you know which dog you're talking about. Next, what you want to do is just simply copy it and then paste it into your documents. Also, I would recommend do a little bit of research on each of these dog breeds, fun facts about these, and then your script is complete. And once it's done, all you have to do is come over here into a AI voice generator such as vid.io. Over here you can convert your text into speeches. So you just simply copy it, your script, paste it over here, and get a voiceover. Then come over here into this video editor tool called InVideo, and then just simply edit the video. It's that simple. If that's not, you can even use Pictory Video Editor. This is a free AI video editor tool. You just simply have to add in your script and or your voiceover, and then it'll generate videos and images for you and paste it along the way. So you can do that, and once it's done, you can just start posting videos on your YouTube channel and crunch out those numbers as well. So it's that simple. And then you can earn money as well. As I said before, you can apply this strategy on literally any other niche you want. You can even do video games. You can even do movies and TV shows as well, or other fun facts about nature, stuff like that. And then you can easily create videos and start earning money as well. So over here, you can see a bunch of people are doing that as well. And everyone's telling them that, hey, you should start a faceless YouTube channel. So use the tools that are provided over here. The AI, it's amazing. You can easily do tons and tons of stuff with it. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and got an idea of what to do. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.